Welcome to Somebody Ass is Going to Jail. This your favorite inmate, Cell Block Willie, coming to you live from the big house. How many of you remember the man in California that was arrested after he was caught on camera licking a woman's doorbell for 3 hours? What new category in Pornhub is this? This is some freaky shit. Check this out. Here we go. What in the name of baby Jesus is going on here? Now this is just like a whole new level of horny. He had to be sitting at home watching Pornhub and decided to showcase his skills on the woman across the street. I'm gonna lick this doorbell so damn good, she gonna open up this damn door. I wish some spit would have got in the circuits and shocked the shit out of his ass. That's a damn shame. Hey, Mr. Doorbell Licker, your horny ass is going to jail.